Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial we are going to learn that how can we make or create an impactful, more powerful, more interactive form using MS Word document file. So due to this corona, all the hard copy of the form are now vanished and place has been taken by the soft copied form. In order to get the data of our colleagues, students, employees of the company, we can send this form to everyone and can get the information easily. Here I have a sample of the form. A simple looking form is here, like which contains some basic information, the picture of the employee or participant, the name, DOB means date of birth, address line 1, address 2, the next is phone number, the next is date, then gender, then options. Option may be something like first class, second class, something else. So for this, MS Word is provided with a very useful feature, but it is hidden right now. You won't be able to see that. Here we don't have any developers tab near review or view tab. There is no any developers tab, so we had to bring it. So that is called step number 1. To bring that developers tab, go on file menu. Here in the last there is option, select it and you will get a pop-up window like this. Now what you have to do is just click on customize ribbon and like this interface will come, and you have to check this checkbox to bring the developers tab here in the above left corner. So click on OK. Now you can see the developers tab is here, and now we can use it to make the form more interactive. Click on it and you will see the different options are here. For picture, we need a box that asks for a picture, to upload a picture or browse a picture directly from your computer. Now for this we can select this option here. It is saying picture content control. Left click on it and you can see a box is here. You can resize it, and this is how you can upload a picture. In order to upload a picture, we have to simply click this icon and work offline, because we are working offline, and select any picture like this and insert. We can again resize it whatever size we want, and like it is written here picture, we can edit this from properties. We can give title like passport size picture, hit enter, and the text is now changed with passport size picture. So this is all for pictures, how to ask for a picture in the form. Now the second is name. So for the name, we want a text box asking for the name. Left click on here, select this position, and then here we have two options. The first is rich text control and second is plain text content control. We can use any one of them. Left click on it and boom, here you can see a text box. And now if I want to give the name, we can simply write my name here. Now when I click here, we cannot see any title here. Go on properties, give a title, name. Now you can see this is the name. And for DOB, it is very critical, like different people give different formats of the date, like DDMMYY, MMDDYY, or YYDDMM. So we can give a calendar here so that users can easily choose the date whatever they want. For this we have option here, a calendar date picker content control. So we have to left click on it and then boom, it is here. Now if I want to add a date, click on this drop down menu and you will see a calendar. We can choose today's date, or we can browse the date from this. Any one you can choose. Now to change the year, you can double click here and then like 1999 or something they want. Now if I change the format of this date, if I want to change the format, now go on properties, and here is the list of the format. You can choose any one of them, like I want day, month, date and year. Click on OK. Now this is changed, Thursday, April 8, 1999. Now for address we again have the text. So select any one of them, rich text content control or plain text content control. So we don't have to do anything, like we can give a title here also. From properties we can say address line 1, and again for address 2 we can give a text box here. Now for phone number, it is also a string of text or a text format only, so we can give a text box here also and give a title from properties phone number. Now it is asking for today's date, so again it is asking for the date. We can give a calendar here, that is here, date picker content control. Left click on it and we can change the format from any one of it, like September 8, 2020, like month, date and year. Now we can simply choose the today's date and click on it. It is September 8, 2020. Now for gender we have two options. How can we give a list of 2 things or 3 things? Here we have the option like combo box content control. It is here. Now choose an item. It is written choose an item. How to give a list here? So we have to go on properties. Now here we get the title. We can give the gender, and to give the list we have here option add, and when we click on add, again a pop-up window, add choice, display name must be like male. Hit enter and again click on add to add female, female. Now hit enter. Here you can see two participant or 2 options are here, the male and female. Click on OK. Now if I want to insert the gender here, I can click on this drop down menu and select my gender. It's easy, right? Now I selected the male, and for options the same thing can be used, like combo drop down list content control. Like in option we can give the different things like class, and in the list we can give first class. Again click on add second class, and in the third we can add third class. You can edit it according to your requirement of the form. Now click on OK. Now if I want to change or select any option, I can click on this drop down menu and select any class from them, like second class. That's complete. So this is how you can create an interactive, more powerful, more impactful form for your company, institution or an organization. So that's all for this video, and play with this option, bring this developer tab, and I hope you will enjoy this video and find it useful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and stay tuned.